One question I often get from people who approach me who might think that they have a lemon is whether they can afford an attorney. And I'm very pleased to let them know that they can. The reason that they can is because it's absolutely free. And I know that people find it hard to believe that they can actually hire an attorney with no cost to them, but it's true. The way the law is written, it states that if a consumer purchases a lemon and they can prove that it's a lemon, not only are they entitled to their past payments, their down payment, any out-of-pocket expenses, including deductibles for repair bills, tow bills, any registration, any other out-of-pocket expenses, in addition to all of that being returned to you, the consumer. The law also requires the manufacturer or the dealer to pay for your attorney's fees. And so while I'm working on your case, it's no charge to you. It's a cost to the defendant, that being the manufacturer or the dealership. Now, if the case goes to trial, where there's a settlement, and there's this money that you're owed, customers also want to know, well, how much of that is mine as opposed to theirs? And again, because my attorney's fees and costs are required to be paid by the manufacturer and not the dealership, all of your out-of-pocket expenses go directly to you. And if there's a lien on your vehicle, you owe $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 to pay off that lien, the law also requires the manufacturer or the dealership to pay off that lien. Imagine going back to the day before you ever walked into that dealership and buying that lemon, never occurring. No lemon, your money back, and I'm able to help you at no cost to you. And that's the way the law is written. And I take a great deal of pleasure in being able to help consumers like you.